Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be sharing some foundation recommendations for the holiday season when it's cold outside, when all of the holidays are just around the corner. I thought it would be fun to share some of my go-to foundations that I find myself grabbing for all the time and that I picture myself grabbing for all the time around the holidays. So it's gonna be a fun one. Before we get started, please give this a big thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel, join the fam, don't miss out on 3 videos a week. Please make sure you're subscribed, but if you wanna see my holiday season foundation recommendations, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, as usual, because I feel like I do these kinds of recommendation videos quite often, I am not gonna go in any particular order. I'm just gonna be grabbing a product, telling you why I'm recommending it, and then moving on to the next. I have 5 foundations here. I did try to narrow it down a little bit to the ones that I really truly see myself grabbing for and that I am grabbing for a lot during this holiday season. They're not, like I said, in any particular order, so it's not like from least to most favorite or anything like that. It's just random. I love all of these. If you hear my dog barking in the back, please ignore. I feel like as soon as I sit down to film, he's like, this is my time to shine. I'm gonna start barking. So please ignore. But moving on, first product that I wanna talk about is the Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Moisturizing Skin Tint. I just love this foundation year round, honestly, but I love it in the winter because I feel like this one has more of like a natural finish, so it doesn't fall on the matte side and it doesn't fall on like the dewy radiant side. It's that perfect in between. I love that it has SPF and it's not like one crazy finish or the other. So it's like a day to night kind of a foundation. You're taking care of your skin throughout the day, but it looks beautiful when you do full glam as well. This just works so many different ways, and every time I put this on, I'll look back at pictures and I'm always like, oh my gosh, what was I wearing on my skin? Like, it looks so good. It just makes your skin look so airbrushed and beautiful, and I just feel like it's perfect for, like I said, anything, day, night, whatever. It's such a good one, so you can't go wrong. I have the shade Warm Beige here, so love that one. Next up, this has to be one of my favorites for this time of year. It's the Hourglass Illusion Luminous Glow Foundation, also SPF 30. This one is a little bit on the newer side to me. I just tried it not too long ago. I have it in shade 13. I just love this one, you guys. Like, I feel like this one does lean a little bit more on the more radiant side in comparison to the Too Faced, but I feel like this is so just hydrating and it feels like I'm wearing like skincare almost. It doesn't feel like I'm wearing makeup, which I love. And I feel like I need that, especially in the winter months because it's so cold outside, it's so dry outside, especially if you're living in a colder place like I do. Something like this just literally brings the life back to your face, your complexion, your skin. Like, I just really love what this does for me, especially in the colder months. Like, I feel like for myself personally, because my skin is more dry to normal, I stay away from the matte foundations, especially in the colder months, because I don't want to dry out my face more and I don't want to make it look cakey. So I find myself gravitating towards the natural finish or like a little bit more on the radiant side. And every time I put this on, I feel like it just brings the life back to me. So I just absolutely love it. I love the glow. Such a travel friendly foundation too because of the packaging. Both of these, honestly. So another one you cannot go wrong with. Also, I'll have all of these products linked in the description box if I'm forgetting any details, just so that you can find the products online. But next up, we have the Charlotte Tilbury Unreal Skin Sheer Glow Tint Hydrating Foundation Stick. This looks and feels just weightless on your skin when you put it on. Every time I wear this, I'm like, oh my gosh, what is this magic on my face? I have used up pretty much all of it. I need to get a replacement really, really bad because I basically have to dig this out if I want to use it. but it's just so pretty. I would say this is another one that's probably a little bit more of like a natural kind of finish, maybe a little bit of a glow to it, like not even a glow, but like a hydrating look. Like it just looks like my skin is very hydrated, and I love that about it. I feel like I don't grab for stick foundations nearly as much as I do liquids, but this one is the exception for me because it looks perfect every single time. It's Charlotte Tilbury, so what can I say? This is in the shade 5 medium, and I feel like it suits me really well, like my skin tone. In the winter, in the summer, I tan year round, self tan, so it works for me, but it just looks so beautiful. I love how easy it is to use. Like you just swipe it on, blend it in, and you're good to go. It's just such an easy, user-friendly product, and it looks flawless every time. Like it looks like you spent a long time on your makeup, but it's so quick and easy to use. And again, travel friendly because it's a stick, so you can just throw it in your bag, take it with you, and I just love it around this time of year. Down to the last two, I have another Hourglass foundation. Hourglass just has my heart lately with products. This is the Ambient Soft Glow foundation. I've had this one forever. It's in the shade 8. I just love this product so much. The name describes it perfectly. It gives you like a very soft glow. It looks amazing. I feel like for some reason I just tend to grab for this a lot in the colder months, and it literally gives my skin a very natural yet like glowing from within kind of look, and it's just so pretty. It feels thin, but it's medium coverage. I would say honestly, all of the ones I'm talking about today are medium coverage. I'm not a full coverage girl, if I'm being totally honest, at least not a lot of the time. I like for something to be medium, not to look or feel cakey, and to just cover up all of my blemishes, but still give me kind of a glow and still feel like my skin, like not like there's a ton of makeup on my face. So I do love a medium coverage. That is what this is, and it just looks so amazing. I love the undertone of this. Like I feel like it goes so well with my skin tone. I love the packaging. It's just so, this packaging reminds me of the holidays too. Like the frosted glass, this like brownie cap, like it's just so pretty. And I always find myself grabbing for this in the colder months. And then last but not least, I'm wearing this one right now. This is the Laura Mercier Real Flawless Weightless Perfecting Foundation. If you want something that is literally going to feel like nothing when you're applying it, this is it. Every time I put this on, and I've said this in so many videos, I don't know what kind of a formula this is, but this describes it perfectly. It's literally weightless. Every time I put it on my brush and I blend it in, it feels like there's nothing going on my skin. It's just the craziest thing ever. It looks so flawless every time. Like as you can see, my skin looks flawless, airbrushed, perfected, like no notes. It looks so amazing. This one I would say is more of like a soft matte kind of a finish. It doesn't really have like a big glow to it, but it's so pretty. Like every time I put this on, I'm like, oh my God, my skin looks perfect. Like I don't need to add anything to it. It just looks so good on its own. And I feel like this kind of soft, natural finish is so perfect for this time of year. Like it's not leaning too much one way or the other. Feels like nothing on your skin, so you could wear it all day long and still be comfortable. And it doesn't budge easily. Like if you set this, it's gonna last all day long. So I just love everything about this one. I love everything about all 5 of these. Like all 5 of these are such good products. You cannot go wrong, especially if you fall into the skin type category like mine, like dry, normal skin type. If you're anything like me, you'll love these. I'm just obsessed. Like I cannot get enough of them. I'm gonna be living in these all winter. But that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, let me know what you guys think about my choices. Let me know if there's another one out there that you want me to try, that you recommend, that maybe I haven't tried already. Let me know what else you want to see from me. Give this a huge thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. But stay tuned and I will see you guys in the next video.